Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Today in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good, delicious pineapple upside down cake. Very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Well, that is delicious. Okay, we're going to start off with 1 stick of butter, and then we're going to add in our eggs, 3 eggs. You want to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract with a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to put in our, next we're going to put in a half a cup of sugar. And you can use Splendid. I'm using Splendid, sugar free. And now we're going to add a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Make sure it gets in there. Okay, now last but not least, we're going to put in the a cup of pineapple juice, like that, and then we're going to mix this well together. Okay, for now we're going to blend this together. Okay, we put the cake to the side, the cake batter. Now we're going to work on the topping. So we're going to move this out of the way, and we're going to go ahead and melt this butter. We're going to melt it all the way. It's 1 stick of butter, and you're going to melt it completely. Okay, once we got the butter melted, we're going to take half a cup of brown sugar, and you're just going to get it in there. We're going to mix this well together. You want to combine that together real good. Okay, that'd be probably good enough right there. Then we want to, okay, I'm going to pour the topping sugar in first. Put this all in really good. Well, this is going to be delicious, I promise you. And we're going to just put all the pineapple rings in as much as we can. Fill it up. As much as it'll fit. Next, we want to do is we're going to put in some cherries. You gotta be careful not to get all that juice in there. I guess it don't really matter, but you want to put these in the little holes. Okay, now we're just going to pour the batter over it. And you're going to put your oven to 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until it's done. Run a toothpick through the middle of it, and if it comes out clean, that means it's done. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on that. Look at that pineapple. See that? Very moist. Delicious. That is so delicious right there. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do, subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss a notification. I want y'all to have a great day. That was good.